Hello students, I am Professor Arvind Kumar, Department of Physics, DAV College C1. This topic is related with the degree 2 and this topic quite often comes in examinations to write. This topic is Fermat's principle and the laws of reflection and refraction. Introduction. Fermat's principle states that light travels between 2 points along the path that requires the least time, that means minimum time, as compared to other nearby paths. From Fermat's principle, one can derive the law of reflection and the law of refraction. To derive the laws of reflection, let us consider this figure in which light ray starting at point A reflects off the surface at point P before arriving at point B. A horizontal distance L from point A. We calculate the length of each path and divide the length by the speed of light to determine the time required for the light to travel between the 2 points. This T under root x square plus h1 square divided by the velocity of light c plus under root 1 minus x the whole square plus h2 square by divided light of c, in which we can minimize the time. We set the derivative of the time with respect to x equal to 2 equal to 0. We also use the definition of the sine as opposite side over hypotenuse 2. This becomes equal to 0, and lastly it becomes sine theta 1 is equal to sine theta 2, that is theta 1 is equal to theta 2. That means angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection, which is the laws of reflection. To derive the laws of refraction, we consider this figure in which light ray traveling from point A to point B after refraction through plane surface. The time to travel between the 2 points is the distance in each medium divided by the speed of light in that vacuum. This becomes equal to T is equal to under root x square plus h1 square by c divided by n1. N1 is the refractive index of the first medium, plus under root 1 minus x the whole square plus h2 square divided by c oblique n2, where n2 is the refractive index of the second medium. Here, to minimize the time, we set the derivative of the time with respect to x equal to 0. And in this sequence, we get n1 sine theta 1 is equal to n2 sine theta 2, which is the Snell's law. In this way, we derive derived laws of reflection and refraction by Fermat's principle. Thank you.